In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a checklist in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your account at Trello.com. Once you've logged in, navigate to the board you're working on. This is where all your project management happens, and it's the place you want to be for copying checklists. Next, you'll want to open the destination card. This could be a new card you're creating or an existing one that you want to add the copied checklist to. Just click on the card to open its detailed view, and you'll see all the options available for that particular task. Once you're in the card's detailed view, look over to the right-hand side of the screen where you'll find the card menu. Here, click on the Checklist button. This will open up a new panel, giving you two main choices. You can create a new checklist or choose to copy an existing one. Now comes the fun part. You want to select the checklist you need from another card, so in the title field, go ahead and enter a name for your new checklist. It's really helpful to give it a clear title so you can keep everything organized later on. After you've named your checklist, look for the Copy Items From drop-down menu right below where you type the checklist title. Click on that, and you'll see a list of cards available within the same board. This is where you'll select the source card that contains the checklist you want to duplicate. If the card you chose has multiple checklists, make sure you take a moment to pick the correct one. It's an easy step to overlook, but you want to ensure that you're copying the right items to your current task. Once you've made your selections and everything looks good to go, click the Add button. Just like that, Trello will instantly duplicate all items from the checklist you selected into your current card. It's super quick and will save you time if you're working with repetitive tasks. Now that the checklist is copied over, feel free to edit, remove, or reorder these items as needed for your specific task. This flexibility is one of the great features of Trello, enabling you to customize your workflow just the way you like it. And there you have it. That's how to copy a checklist in Trello. Simple, right? By following these steps, you can streamline your project management process and keep your tasks organized with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and happy Trelloing!